How to change your birthday on Skype mobile. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, this one, and now click here settings and then click account and profile, and now click this one here, your profile, and then all you need to do is just click here birthday and change your birthday to anything you want, and then just click set and save changes. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.